So I told you today what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk about success and execution. Now, I've probably implemented 200, 250 different solutions over my career. And I've seen many different examples of successful projects and projects that were challenged. And so one of the things that I want to do today is I want to talk to you about when you're evaluating new technology, when you're evaluating what you should implement in order to be able to solve business challenges, people ask that, what is digital transformation? Well, digital transformation is a complete redoing of your business and an implementation of something, a solution that results in a dramatic increase in success. That doesn't necessarily mean that we implement technology to create success. It means that we transform our business and we leverage enabling technology to be able to create a new product, a new service, a greater solution, greater efficiency. And it comes together in a package when we do those things together. And so as we've been presenting to you blockchain technologies, I'm not coming to you and saying, implement blockchain. What I'm really doing is I'm coming to you and I'm saying, what business challenges and problems do you have in your business? What new solution are you trying to implement? What challenge do you have? What cost problems do you have? What supply chain problems do you have? How are you going to create better customer service? How are you going to optimize your reservation systems? And what we need to do is we need to say, where are those challenges in our business so that we can consider the solution or the approach to solving them. And then that's when I say you come in and look at the appropriate technology for implementation. And we've seen people implementing blockchain technology because of the advantages of it that come from availability of information, that come from ease of onboarding, that come from security. And we've seen them leveraging that technology to be able to create success. So we know that new technology like blockchain is bringing the possibilities to help us to achieve greater successes and greater efficiencies than never before. All right. So now I'm going to go into really, what do you do in the creation of success? What do you do to ensure a greater ability to be able to execute? Hey, listen, many of you also know that I've been involved in a lot of different industries over my career. I've been in aviation for 40 years, but for 10 years, I also did land development. I was building retail commercial properties, and I built shopping centers, and I built gas stations, and I ran different businesses. And it was during that time that I even learned more about project management. And I want to tell you something about project management, all right? One of the things that I learned from a friend of mine in the construction industry is the faster you can get it done, the less chance there is for requirements to change and the more money you're going to make. So as a business, many times we need to say, how do I execute more rapidly? But it needs to be well thought out and strategically executed. You don't go build a shopping center without a plan. You don't go build a shopping center without architectural drawings, without approvals, from the city and from all the districts and authorities. And so combined together is, what are the requirements? What are the business objectives we're trying to accomplish? What do we do in order to be able to execute quickly and successfully? Those are some things that I learned. And let me just share one quick story with you about a situation I had. I went into construction with really no experience in construction at all. And how do you do that? How do you do that with no experience at all? Well, I had experience in finding experts in certain subject matters, and I had experience in working with people and putting together teams and projects. And so what I did was I assembled teams of expert people to work with me to execute on projects.